Dumpster Rental, Miamisburg, Ohio. Do you need a reliable way to handle waste during your home project? Anna's Dumpster Rental is here to help. We offer efficient dumpster rental in Miamisburg, Ohio, for renovations and cleanouts, ensuring your project stays organized and stress-free. With various dumpster options, we guarantee you'll get the right size for your needs, making the process simple and hassle-free. Our team is known for prompt delivery and exceptional customer service, ensuring a smooth rental experience from start to finish. Keep your work area safe and clean with our convenient dumpster rentals, designed to manage waste effectively and efficiently. We proudly serve Miamisburg, Ohio, and surrounding communities, offering dependable waste management solutions for projects of all sizes. From home renovations to yard cleanups or construction jobs, our dumpsters are ready to help you manage debris efficiently. Tackling clutter is simple with Anna's Dumpster Rental. We simplify waste disposal, leaving you more time to focus on your project. Choose our hassle-free dumpster rentals and become one of our satisfied customers. No matter the size of your project, Anna's Dumpster Rental has the right solutions for your waste management needs. Book your rental today and experience reliable, affordable service from a company committed to your satisfaction. Call Anna's Dumpster Rental at 937-704-3069 to get started with your dumpster rental in Miamisburg, Ohio.